Well, g'day curd nerds. Welcome to day 9 of the Cheese a Day challenge, and I'm very excited to present today. Where did I get this from? Oh, this is a Coles cheese. This is a no-name brand cheese. It's a White Stilton with mango and ginger. It is 200 grams in weight, and it actually has a mark on here, protected designation of origin. So it's the real deal apparently. So it's from the Stilton Makers Association cheese certification trademark. So even though that the supermarkets rebranded it, it looks like it's the real deal, which is really good. Okay, so it was made in the United Kingdom. Well, it'd have to be a PDO cheese. So the ingredients for this cheese is, well, look, it's a bit strange. All right, let's have a look. It says White Stilton cheese 74%, which is milk, salt, rennet and starter culture. It says dehydrated mango 16%, fair enough, which is mango, sugar, preservative, which is sulfur dioxide. So there's sulfur dioxide in here as well. There's crystallized ginger 8%, so ginger and sugar, and there's also sugar added as well. So it looks like maybe after the fact, after they've made the White Stilton, they've actually added these to it. Added the mango and the ginger and a bit of sugar, milled the cheese first, then added these ingredients again after it was mature, and then packaged it up, because it looks like just a square, nondescript wedge type thing. Anyway, pretty cool. But yeah, I'm glad to know it's the real deal. So let's get into it and have a look. Without cutting my hand off, there we go. First impression, smells milky. It's fairly soft. So as you can see there, it's got spots of the mango and the ginger throughout it. As I said, it smelt milky, but that's the square block. It's about that thin. What's that, about 2 centimeters thick, kind of wedge, and a little bit moist. Not too bad. So let's cut into it. So this is, I'm expecting it to be like a semi-soft cheese with the extra flavour. Difficult to cut because there's big bits of fruit in it. Just spread that on my cracker. Not much of an aroma really. Very nice. It's very sweet. You don't kind of expect cheese to be sweet, do you? But in this instance, where they put the mango and the ginger through it, it's very sweet indeed. So, sweet, the cheese itself, very soft. You really can't taste too much of the cheese flavour. It's more of a base for the mango and the ginger. The ginger is not overpowering. I kind of expected it to be, but it's not. The mango is more flavour on the mango than anything else. So not a bad cheese. Sure, it would probably complement the cheese platter because of the sweetness of the cheese. If you're into these fruit cheese type things, which I'm not that much of a fan of, it would go down well. And as far as flavour goes, yeah, sure, it kind of ticks all the boxes there. not not a really strong, intense Stilton flavour. But this is probably the first white Stilton I've ever had, and it like I said, it tastes a little bit chalky to me, but still nice enough. Yeah, the more I eat, the better I like it, actually. It's not a bad cheese. So if you're looking for a dessert cheese, this is perfect. Really nice, it'll complement the cheese platter if you wanted something on the sweet side to balance out any stronger flavoured cheeses you had. Okay, if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so, and you'll catch each day's cheese a day challenge. It'd be fantastic if you could watch the whole lot. Tomorrow's cheese is going to be Riverina Dairy Chili Halloumi, so I'll have to cook that up in my frying pan and give that a once over, because that's what real halloumi needs to be done to it, is to fry it up. Anyway, really looking forward to that. Thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and excuse all the banging. It looks like a neighbour's putting his fence together or something. I'm not sure what's going on, but anyway, if you heard that in the background, don't be too concerned. But anyway, thanks for watching.